In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Roblox error code 524. So firstly, I went into Roblox. You can either use your mobile app or computer, just so you know. And then in here, we're going to click on More in the bottom right corner right here, and then we're going to scroll down and click on Settings. And then firstly, click on Account Info right here, as you can see. Then you're going to scroll down until you can see to verify your ID right here. And basically you need to verify your age. So probably it says like verify your age here or something similar to that, because it needs to be at least 13 plus to be able to fix it, just so you know. And now when you have fixed or when you have verified your age, just go back to this page here again, then click on privacy and content restrictions right here. And then in here, we're firstly going to click on trading and inventory and make sure that this one is set to everyone here, as you can see. And then visibility and private servers. So private servers, this one is going to set to everyone, and visibility, set this one to everyone, the online status here, and show current experience, set this one to everyone also. And now try once again, and hopefully it's going to be fixed for you as well.